हेलो किड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जो भी चैनल पे नए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे यूज ऑफ दिस एंड दैट। व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर एंड क्लोज वी यूज दिस। When an object is singular and far, we use that. Look at the picture. Here we use the word this because in this picture, apple is near. So we say this is an apple. Look at the picture here. In this picture, the cow is far. So we say that is a cow. क्योंकि cow दूर है. Look at the picture here. The object is singular and near us. So we say this is my watch. Remember, we use this if we talk about singular noun near us. Look at the picture. In this picture, the book is far from the hand. So we say that is my book. We use that for people, animal or thing not near us. Let's understand use of this with some examples. This is a pen. We use this because the object is singular and near. This is an apple. We use this here because the object is singular and near us. This is a mobile. We use this here because we talk about singular noun near us. Let's understand use of that. That is an aeroplane. We use that because the aeroplane is far from the girl. That is a kite. We use that because the object is singular and far from us. That is a ship. Object is singular and far from us, so we use that. If you like my video, do like, share, subscribe.